The song is a motivation. Talk badly about them, leave them hanging. You clown.
Oh, just kidding, the EP rocks. Here you only find bangers like Lego rocks. We hate all Asians, you fucking slit eyes, you can gas yourself. I don't need any help, I've been diagnosed as a seagull. Seagull, Ukraine is a cunt, Russia is the power. If Putin wants, he'd fly it in a tower. I think the translation is wrong, I actually want to write something else. Man, how can you screw up so badly? Everything sounds dope in English, I have to shit. Don't look, what they do doesn't matter. The weed is gay and fruity. Come and suck me. Your mother pooped like the one from the gas station NGO, yeah. Everything sticks, but my bubble gum isn't. I don't have any bubble gum, but I'm making an EP in English. I always only have the same topics, not even something sensible. Your mother comes and I've had enough, I'm an echo. I'm shooting hard parts again, straight to Africa. They don't have any water there, it's not easy to survive, I'm starving too. And I don't see any potato chips, boy, get a grip. Why do you always fall out of the tree? Don't look, what they do doesn't matter. The weed is gay and fruity. Come and suck me. Your mother pooped like the one from the gas station NGO, yeah. My dog, my cat, my face, and the freighter. Everyone is hearing me now. Everyone is pretty, just not Sabrina.